When you travel a lot, bad tech can ruin the whole trip. These are the travel tech accessories I actually pack every time. Stuff that saves battery, space, stress, and honestly just makes travel way smoother. Let's start with the MVP of travel, the Sony WH-1000XM5. If you've ever flown without good noise canceling, you already know. This is a game changer. Real travelers constantly say these headphones turn planes into libraries. Engine noise, crying babies, airport chaos. Gone. Sony's noise canceling is still top tier, and the Auto NC optimizer adapts automatically depending on your environment, which is perfect when moving between airports, trains, and hotels. Battery life is legit too, around 30 hours, meaning you can forget your charger for a few days. They're super comfortable for long flights, and the sound quality is rich without being overly bassy. If you travel even a few times a year, these pay for themselves fast. Check the description for the product link. This charger completely changed how I pack. The Satechi 145-watt GAN travel charger replaces multiple bricks with one compact unit. Real users love that it can charge a laptop, phone, tablet, and earbuds at the same time, and still fast. The dual USB-C PD 3.1 ports mean it can handle power-hungry devices like MacBooks without breaking a sweat. For hotels, airports, or working remotely, this is one of those accessories you don't realize you need, until you use it once and never go back. Less clutter, fewer cables, way more convenience. Find the link in the description below. If you work or create while traveling, this is clutch. The Anker 25,000 mAh laptop power bank is basically peace of mind in a brick. Real-world users love that it can actually charge laptops, not just phones. Triple 100-watt USB-C ports mean you can top up a MacBook, phone, and camera all at once. The built-in retractable cables are genius. No more digging through bags for cords. It's flight-approved, surprisingly compact for its capacity, and perfect for long travel days or layovers where outlets are impossible to find. If you've ever watched your laptop battery die mid-flight, this thing feels essential. Link is waiting in the description. This one doesn't get flashy headlines, but it's one of the most useful items on the list. The PGYTECH Travel Tech Organizer keeps everything clean, visible, and easy to grab. Real travelers love the waterproof material and smart internal layout. Cables, chargers, SD cards, power banks. Everything has a place and nothing gets tangled. It's especially great if you carry camera gear or multiple chargers. No more pulling out a bag of spaghetti cables at airport security. Once you use a proper tech pouch like this, traveling without one feels chaotic. Check the description for the product link. If you travel with photos, videos, or work files, the Samsung T9 portable SSD is a must. Real users love how fast and reliable this drive is, up to 2,000 megabytes per second, which means transferring huge files takes minutes instead of forever. The rubberized design feels durable and travel safe, and 4 terabytes is more than enough for long trips without worrying about storage. It's perfect for backing up footage on the go, carrying project files, or even gaming while traveling. Small, fast, and rock solid, exactly what you want when you're not at home. Grab the product link from the description below. These are the travel tech accessories that genuinely make trips easier. Less stress, fewer cables, and no dead devices. Links are in the description, and trust me, once you travel with this setup, there's no going back.